getting ready to give Diana a quick bath before I go to the gym. I'll probably ride her to the gym. We are possibly riding down to Iron Thunder tonight to eat. It's bike night. And so sometimes on Thursdays we go down there. And so I'm getting ready to give her a bath because she's kind of nasty from all of our off-road excursions. So I'm very lucky that I have my own personal mechanic because I'm like that extra. And so he is changing my oil. Which I guess actually I should probably learn how to do it myself. I mean, not that it's that difficult. It's kind of like a car. Probably easier than a car.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Kenneth. So, we have been working with the puppies on getting them used to the dirt bike. Here's our two that we're keeping. The boy, there's the boy. He's DR. And the girl, we're still deciding if it's going to be clutch or bell for kettlebell or barbell or dumbbell, I guess, with CrossFit. But they have gotten very used to the bike. In fact, when he was pulling it in the garage, the boy like stopped and sniffed the tire as it was rolling in while it was running. And the girl was like walking beside it. Or the girl sniffed the tire and the boy was walking beside it. I don't remember. But they definitely have gotten used to it very quickly, so that's good. And I want to teach them how to ride with me on the bike. So I've been walking around today with them in this pack, and I'm going to get a doggy carry pack. And so I've been walking around carrying them in the pack to get them used to that, and then getting on and off the bike and cranking it and things. So they've done pretty well with it. So we'll see. Do you need to hold it?
Wait, I'll get it done first. Now we need to turn the handlebar. My hands don't work as good on this side. And there's a freaking cable out of the way.
Is that going to hold it? Like,
I still gotta put more bolts. That's just the first two. That's what we had on when we was riding it last time. But we may have to go bigger once we see if everything works. But smaller holes are easier to cover up if I screwed up. Let's see. That range is what I'm thinking. I could be wrong. That's not what mine is.
you may hold it.
You want to go riding in the bathing suit when we finish?
I am.
Did you video that part?
I did not. I did not video me.
Do I take the camera away from you in the video? This is
that
how
I'm-
my wife works on a motorcycle.
That I'm actually working in
When we
the
work on a
garage
motorcycle, she works on a
in a
bikini.
bikini.
Well, I actually wear work clothes. You can tell how much work she does.
No, that will not be part of the video. They will not be aware that I'm in a bikini. I could like get a side picture of there, just a chest shot.
Good now.
Chest shot in the rear view mirror.
Shocked.
I'm not shocked. I tell you all the time, you're amazing.
Billy, I am not making any one of these. It's a pain in the ass.
He's just informing you now, Billy. He only does it for people that he really loves.
Oh.
Although sometimes he probably loves you more than he loves me. But I'm just saying. This is like a one-off thing. But I am super appreciative. I'm excited.
I'm gonna just leave the film on it to go ride. Then we'll peel it off.
Right?
You
So I'm
ready
gonna
to
carry my dog with me.
go? Ready to go ride and see how bad it shakes in the wind.
Did you hear me? Carry my dog with me. See how she does. He does.
We cut that off. Grind all that. And the other thing is if we have to come up with a mount up to support it or something.
It still has the film on it, so that's why it's kind of cloudy. But I think it's going to look amazing. Incredible. This is only one reason that I love my husband. He's amazing. Kenneth is going to go take it for a test run. Compared to his Africa twin, he thinks my bike is very light, but that used to be his, so funny. Oh, sorry. But he's going to go test it out so that he can figure out if it needs to be adjusted instead of like me trying to report back to him and tell him what I think. He can like figure it out for himself, so maybe easier. He looks great riding a Wonder Woman bike. So we actually had to re-drill these holes here because it wasn't quite lined up exactly in the middle here with this star in the middle of this. It was lined up down here, but not necessarily up here. So we re-drilled these to see if that will fix it, but now we're looking for washers to like hold that in place. So here's the finished shield with the film off. It looks pretty good. I'm impressed. My husband is awesome.